Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. This is grade 3 and I am your science teacher, Mrs. Hinaja. Dear students, our unit number 3, types of living things plants, is going on. We know very well all plants can be put into one large group, and that large group is called plant group. All plants can be put into one large group, the plant group. Now, students, do you know where do plants grow? Where do plants grow? Some plants grow in shady places and some plants grow in hot places. Where do plants grow? Some plants grow in wet, shady places like this image, while others grow in hot and dry places like in desert. Where do plants grow? Some plants grow in wet, W-E-T, wet, shady places. You can see here, while others grow in hot and dry places like desert. Now, student, second question. What do plants need to make their food? Plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. What do plants need to make their food? Plants need air, water, and chlorophyll to make their food. Plants need air, water, and chlorophyll to make their food. Sunlight is also necessary. Plants need air, water, and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight to make their own food. Now, students, next question. How do plants without seeds make new plants? How do plants make new plants without seeds? Spores grow and make new plants. Plants that have no seeds, they can grow with the help of spores. Spores are like small spots on leaves and stems. Spores grow and make new plants. Next question. Which plants are called the seed-bearing plants? Question is, which plants are called the seed-bearing plants? Plants that grow from seeds are called seed-bearing plants. It means these types of plants grow with the help of seeds. They are seed-bearing plants. They are flowering plants. Plants that grow from seeds are called seed-bearing plants. Which plants are called the seed-bearing plants? Plants that grow from seeds are called seed-bearing plants, or we can say flowering plants. Now, students, how does a mushroom get food? How does a mushroom get food? Mushroom get food from soil. Mushrooms get food from the soil. How does a mushroom get food? A mushroom gets food from the soil. They can get food from the soil because they are non-green plants. They cannot make their own food they get their food from the soil. It means mushrooms get food from the soil. Next question is, what are two kinds of cones made by a pine tree? There are two types of cones that are made by a pine tree: pollen cones and seed cones. What are the two kinds of cones made by a pine tree? The two kinds of cones are called seed cones and pollen cones. These two cones are made by a pine tree: pollen cones and seed cones. These two types of cones are made by a pine tree. Now let's start matching. We will match column A with column B. Number A, mosses grow. Mosses grow. We will match this from column B. Chlorophyll in their leaves. It is not right. Mosses grow are called seed-bearing plants. It is not right. Mosses grow leaves of a flower. It is not right. Mosses non-green plants. It is also not right. Mosses grow on trees. Mosses grow on trees. We will write here A. Mosses grow on trees. Number B. Green plants have chlorophyll in their leaves. Yes, it is right. Green plants have chlorophyll in their leaves. We will write here B. Number C. Mushrooms are called seed-bearing plants. No. Mushrooms are leaves of a flower. It is not right. Mushrooms are non-green plants. That's why mushrooms get their food from the soil. Mushrooms are non-green plant. We will write here C. Number D. Plants that grow from seeds are called seed-bearing plants. Yes, plants that grow from seeds are called seed-bearing plants. It is number D. Number E. Petals are the colored leaves of a flower. Petals are the colored leaves of a flower. We will write here E. Now we will recall again. Mosses grow on trees. Green plants have chlorophyll in their leaves. We will write here B. Mushrooms are non-green plants. That's why they get their food from the soil. We will write here number C. Plants that grow from seeds are called seed-bearing plants. We will write here D. Petals are the colored leaves of a flower. This is E. We will write here E. Okay students, hope you learned well. You will read the same topic at your home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.